Welcome and welcome back to Tila's Fashion. Today I'm going to be making a cold shoulder dress and I'm going to focus this video on the cold shoulder sleeves. Please hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and if you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Don't leave this video without subscribing. Thank you, and let's get right into this tutorial. So this is the front piece and it is lined. I have already turned in the neckline with the lining, so now we can focus on the armhole. First measurement I'm going to take would be 4 inches down from the shoulder along the armhole, and I'm just going to give it a little notch, and this is going to be where the sleeve would be attached from. So above 4 inches no sleeve will be attached, and then everything from below 4 inches would be where the sleeve would be attached. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this inside out the same way it is turned inside out to sew the neckline. I'll turn this inside out and I'm going to sew from the shoulder till the point where we did the little notch. This is what I have after sewing the armhole of the front piece. I can compare it to the back piece. You can see the difference. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to connect the back and the front piece together, and from there I would also do the same thing I did to the armhole of the front piece to the back piece. So how I'm going to connect this together is I'm going to make sure the front of the front piece and the front of the back piece is facing each other. Then I'm going to separate the lining of the back piece and I'm just going to turn it over and make sure it covers the front piece just like this. Then I'll just sew across the line. So after sewing the shoulder area, I'll stop where the front piece stops and I'll just turn the fabric the other way so I can sew the armhole. And I'm going to measure 4 inches, the same 4 inches we measured the other time, and I'm going to notch it and stop sewing around the 4 inches. And I'll make sure I'm not sewing the front piece, it will just be the back piece, that is the fabric and the lining of the back piece. So this is what I have after joining. You can see how the upper part of the armhole is neatly finished, and now we can use the lower part of the armhole to join the sleeve. So now you will take your round shoulder measurements and divide it by 4, and then whatever you get, you just place that at the center of your front piece, and you just check like how many inches you have left, and you can see I have 4 inches left, so that will be the width of my sleeve. But for the purpose of this particular style I'm making, the flare sleeve that I'll be attaching would have an elastic band in it, so the material will be way wider than the 4 inches, but the elastic band would be the exact 4 inches. So now I'm going to attach the sleeve to the rest of the armhole, which is not sewn in, one side after the other, and there we have our cold shoulder sleeve, and I'm just going to complete the dress after that. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If this video was in any way helpful for you, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't leave without hitting the subscribe button. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions, any suggestions. I'm open to answering all your questions. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.